5 Tips for keeping your CPU temp down. Keeping your computer free from any internal harm and external damage is the best formula for a long-lasting device. Try some of these tips and techniques to keep all of your parts in top shape. 1. Clean your PC. There are a few ways to keep the inside and outside of your computer clean. You can use a dust rag and a disposable compressed air duster to keep debris off of the interior and exterior. You can also open the casing to carefully vacuum around the fans and other hardware components. 2. Replace your thermal paste. There are times when an overheating issue can be easily solved by removing the old layer of thermal paste and adding a new one. This is what transfers the heat from your CPU to the cooler, and when it dries up your CPU temp can increase. 3. Purchase a new CPU cooler. If you are still having trouble cooling down your computer, it might be time for some new fans with a new cooler. You can easily install a water cooling solution in addition to your fans, or even in place of them. 4. Use a laptop stand. An effective way to increase airflow and protect your device is to use a laptop stand. A hard and flat surface is the best way to keep your laptop free from suffocating. Laptop stands also hold your computer at the optimal angle for staying cool and user performance. 5. Keep your laptop malware free. Malware is software written for the purposes of harming you and your device. Malware can be used by governments to attack other foreign government systems. It can be used to spy on personal information, destroy files, make threats, and send you advertisements. Installing antivirus software is the most effective way to keep your hard work and personal information secure. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.